Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a MAP sensor on a Volkswagen Jetta. First, ensure your engine is cool. Locate the MAP sensor, usually on the intake manifold. You'll need a new sensor and basic hand tools, like a screwdriver or a small wrench. For safety, always disconnect the negative terminal of your car battery before starting any electrical work. This prevents accidental shorts. Now, let's remove the old sensor. Begin by carefully unplugging the electrical connector. It might have a small tab you need to press or slide. Next, unscrew or unclip the sensor from its mounting point. Some sensors are held by one screw, others by a clip. Once loose, gently pull the sensor straight out. Avoid twisting it excessively to prevent breaking any plastic pieces. With the old sensor out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully insert the new MAP sensor into the opening. Make sure it seats properly and feels snug. Then, secure it using the screw or clip you removed earlier. Tighten it just enough so it's firm, but don't over-tighten. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Almost done, reconnect the negative terminal of your car battery. Double-check all connections to ensure everything is tight and secure. Now, start your engine and let it run for a few minutes. Observe your dashboard for any warning lights, especially the check engine light. If it's off, you've likely succeeded. Also, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.